Hey everybody, today I'm going to walk you through how to choose a virtual business office with iPostal1. And I know there have been some mixed reviews on using iPostal1 as your official business address. And so the reason for that is that iPostal1 has centered its business around offering virtual mailboxes. And so a real business, an LLC, needs to have an actual physical business office. We don't want a customer or a potential investor to look up your business address and find out that it is a P.O. box. That gives people the impression that this business isn't fully legitimate, and we do not want that to happen. And so today we are going to talk about how to look through the iPostal1 business addresses so that you know how to get a legit business office for your business so that you don't have to pay thousands of dollars in changing your address because you went with the wrong address when forming your business. And I'm just going to walk you through real quick how to choose the right virtual office. So this right here is the homepage for virtual offices. We're going to scroll down. We're going to select our state. In this case, I'm going to go with Texas, and then I'm going to choose the city of Dallas. You're going to put in your own state and city. And so the first one that comes up is 2310 North Henderson Avenue, Dallas, Texas. And so if I enter this address into Google Maps, I'm going to see an overall view. The way that I get the street view is if I drop this person icon in front of the office building so I can get a better look. So as you see, if you look at the address, it's Knox Street Postal Center. So this space right here is a postal center. You are not able to meet customers and conduct legit business within a postal center. You want a real business office. And so with this $9.99 price tag, you're not going to get a real legitimate office space that you can put towards your LLC. Now let's move on to the next address, which is 1999. And so we're going to put it into Google, and then we're going to move the person icon. And so as you can see, this address is actually an office building, which you can meet clients in. And so from the looks of it, it looks like an actual office building. But is this a furnished space where you can bring people to? That is something where you're either going to check it out in person, or you're going to be on the phone with iPostal1 to confirm that you are able to conduct business within this building. And so next we can look at 3839. Again, it's a $9.99. So is it going to be a postal center or is it going to be an office building? Likely anything that's $9.99 is going to be a postal center. And so as you see here, it is the Eagle Postal Center. Can you conduct business in this building? No. And so what is important to consider? Is this place close to my home address? Will I be able to travel to this location in a reasonable time? And secondly, is this a place where I can actually conduct business? And so when deciding what virtual address to go with, especially on the iPostal1 website, it's really important that you check these addresses on Google to make sure it is a real physical office space. And so typically you are going to find a virtual business office that has a real physical location, as well as a nice space where you can meet with clients in the $39.99 range. Let's type 5301 Alpha Road Suite 80 into Google. It looks like it's in a nice trendy area with an office building. I hope this helped. If you want a full review of iPostal1, or if you want me to compare iPostal1 to any other virtual business office, let me know in the comments. I cannot wait to see you next time. Peace, stay building.